Guys, what's up? It's Shaniiee Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to bring you guys another unboxing packages video. Everything is from Amazon. I placed an order I think sometime last week, like in the beginning of last week, and I just received the last package today, so I decided why not come on here and give you guys a video. Okay, so like I said, I placed an order last week. Everything has to do with self-care. It's either nail products or I had bought, well, you'll see everything that I bought, but I'm just gonna jump right into opening all of these packages. I have a total of 4 packages, and I believe they put numerous items in one package, if that makes sense. So I have 3 parcels and 1 box. So we're just gonna jump right into opening all of these packages. So I'm gonna open the smallest package first. I tried to rip off my address off of these, so hopefully I don't have to edit them out. So we're just gonna open this one first, and let's see what this is. Oh, okay. So like I said, nail items. These are nail files, and they just come with the nail buffers and then the regular nail files. I believe I paid, well, I'll just link the whole Amazon page on the screen, and I will also leave everything that I purchased down below in the description box if you're interested in purchasing what I purchased. So yeah, let's move on to the next package. Okay, so the next package is the second smallest package. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Okay, so I had purchased, oh, these are so, I can't wait to wear them. Okay, this is just the Eye Envy by Kiss Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive. It says stays in place. It says waterproof, safe on skin. I didn't know it was waterproof. Hopefully it can come off though at the end of the day, because I'm not trying to have no eyelashes stuck to my eyes all the time. Okay, so I got some eyelash glue, and then I picked up these, ooh, really nice eyelashes. Look at these, oh my goodness. So it just says vegan lashes, cruelty free, and I guess I'll link the type of lashes these are on the screen. Oh my goodness, if you guys can see that, like, look at how full these lashes are. They're so full and fluffy. I cannot wait to wear these. See, as you can see, I'm wearing my natural lashes because my other lash glue, it dried up. I usually use the Duo, so I said let me try something different. But yeah, hopefully you'll see me wearing more lashes in my videos. I'm trying to get back into the groove of doing my makeup. I did my makeup for you guys today. So the third package, I'm gonna, oh, I'm dropping everything. I'm gonna save the box for last. So I'm just gonna open this one. Let's see what's up in here. Ooh, I'm dropping everything. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this is my nail drip kit. I purchased this on Amazon. Everything is from Amazon. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this is just the Melody Susie Sheen nail drill, and I'm just gonna take it out the box so you guys can get a good look at it. Look at that. Ooh wee. Okay, there we go. Look at that. I cannot wait to do my nails, you guys. I live in New York, and they're lifting the quarantine little by little. We're on phase 2 right now, but I do not plan on going to get my nails done anytime soon. I'm not playing that. because I'll be the first one to go out and do my nails and then get sick. God forbid. I'm not doing that. And they come with these, I guess these are like the nail buffer ones. Ooh, these are my tips. I cannot wait to do my nails. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting to do them. And then I got these little gemstones and diamonds, and look at how pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that. I hope these are good, because I've bought some before and they were trash. This is my very last package. Let's get to opening it. Just cut this corner here, because I'm pretty sure if I cut this, I can just pull it out. Yes, yes, yes. I cannot wait, you guys. I'm so excited. Alright, first off, these UPS people and like FedEx people be throwing packages all over the place. The box is all messed up. This is the Model Ones all-in-one. What did I get? I forgot. Let me see what it has inside of here, so I can show you guys. Oh yes. So this is the gel nail kit, and I'm gonna, obviously, like I said, I'm gonna link everything for you guys. This is the UV LED gel nail polish collection, and this just has 6 colors. Let me show you guys the colors. It just comes with 6 colors, as you can see them. I am going to put a picture of the colors somewhere on the screen for you guys, so that you can see exactly what colors I'm talking about, which one I picked up. The one, well, obviously you're gonna see the one that I picked up in the description box down below. And it brings, wow, it comes with a lot of stuff, guys. So in here it looks like it has nail clippers, cuticle clippers, a brush, cuticle oil, nail files. Oh wow, they really hooked it up, guys. And it also brings the top coat, the matte top coat, and the base coat. I'm gonna shove it in there, but I want to move on to showing you guys the lamp. And this is the nail lamp that came with the kit. That's how it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the side. I'm pretty sure this had really good reviews, because I try to always read the reviews when I'm buying anything on Amazon. That's a great tip. Just make sure that you read the reviews, because you don't want to wind up buying something and it's not worth your money. Ooh, okay, so that's how it looks. There we go. Everything that I bought from Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like these types of videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.